Hello friends, welcome to HSC Tech Review. Today I'm going to unbox Asus Rog, a very different kind of mobile with a very unique features. It's a gaming mobile and this video is going to be very interesting as I will play Asphalt 9 and PUBG on this phone and show you why it is the best mobile to play games. If you like my videos and wants me to continue, then support my channel by subscribing and sharing it with your friends. And don't forget, next month, one lucky winner get a Vivo U1 giveaway. Details are in the description area. So let's quickly move to the unboxing part. As I have received the package thanks to my friend who delivered me always best of best. I just remembered in my last video on Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 I mentioned the unboxing part for me is actually quite boring because all the mobiles they have packed in a similar way, but here Asus has done an incredible work. The Rog Phone box is pretty eye-catching in itself as well. It has an asymmetrical hexagonal shape with a distinctly alien look to it. Pretty much the aesthetics you would expect from a Republic of Gamers product. Inside the container you get the phone itself, which also features similar design language. Asus includes its fan clip-on accessory in the phone box. It has 3.5mm audio and USB-C port at bottom side. We will talk more about its aesthetics later and its practical performance benefits in the gaming section, as this device is one of the reasons which makes me fall in love with this phone. Alongside it, friends, we get a Type-C to Type-C USB cable and a wall adapter rated for a maximum output of 30 watts. The adapter has hypercharge technology. It utilizes a smart IC on the side of the charger and pumps juice into the battery directly. Much like we have seen before, like Huawei's Supercharge, the idea is that all the conversions happens in the brick outside of the phone. If we quickly look at the specification of this mobile phone, it has metal frame body with Gorilla Glass 6 and 5 on the front and back side. It has 6-inch screen with AMOLED technology display and 1 millisecond pixel response time. The rear cameras, there are two cameras on the rear side which are 12 megapixel and 8 megapixel, and you also get an 8 megapixel camera on the front side as well. The software in this mobile phone is Android 8.1 and the Rog one is Gaming X Mode UI. The chipset you get Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor, Adreno 630 GPU with 8GB of RAM, and the battery is 4000 mAh. It has dual front-facing audio, and the best part of this mobile phone is having ultrasonic sensors for air trigger and grip press. We can activate the X mode by using grip force. You can customize the pressure, which I will show you in a while. Now let me quickly mount this clip-on fan thing to show you what's so special about it. After plug-in, now we can activate this fan mode from the top notification drawer menu. Here in the X mode, you can see all the relevant detail. You can customize the different game settings here as well. Moving on, if we go down, you find the fan speed control option here and can customize the speed of the fan. Also, you can control this backlighting features from here as well. Here you can customize the pressure sensitivity level as per your convenience. These features like HDR display with 1 millisecond response time, 4000 mAh battery, ultrasonic pressure sensors, I guess these are the reasons which makes this mobile phone best for gaming actually. While playing the game, now you can control things very easily, and this sensor features makes the game experience so smooth. The fan thing is I love next because it makes the mobile super cool and you won't feel any heat while playing. Instead, it gives a very cool breathing effect on your hand from the backside of mobile. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you have liked my video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't Do tell me in the comment area if you have any question, or what do you think, which mobile phone is best for gaming purposes in 2019. That's it for today. See you in the next video.